Okay, so went for a drive in the S15 after welding the diff, and I was driving on Preston. The damn thing locked up and I came skidding to a stop. I didn't think much of it. I put it in reverse, it unseized, and I put it back in drive and kept on driving. Parked the truck. We went for a movie with Brittany, and I'm pulling up to park, and I see this weird, like, I don't know, you can't really tell from here, but I'll go out there. I see that and I'm like, what the fuck? Go out and look. Sure as shit. The welded diff may not have held up like we thought. Oh God, don't weld your own diff. That is carnage. Good morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's an interesting day. Today we're gonna explain why welding your diff is not a good idea. If you've seen the last video, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Today we're gonna show you guys and explain exactly what happened. But for those of you that haven't seen it, that is a hole in my diff cover after it exploded. So, great. I'm locked out. Let me see if I can get in my old truck. Get in from the wrong side. That's how you do it. Okay, I'm gonna drive to the shop. I'm gonna go pick up some beer for the boys because they're letting me use their shop, but we'll see you guys in the shop once we're up on the jack and the cover's taken off. We'll take a good look and see what happened, because that's carnage. Yes, and it still drives with that hole in the diff cover. Obviously I'm not going far, I'm limping it, going slow, trying not to cause any more damage. But yeah, I'm driving with no oil in my diff and a hole in the back cover. And to prove my last statement, I'm in drive. Before it would have spun. Oh, you can hear grinding. Oh yeah, she ain't looking good. She ain't looking good. Let's get it in the shop. Well, quick update. I just goosed it around a corner, and whatever weld was holding that together as a locked diff just broke, because now we're a one-wheel peel again, just like stock. Things are looking good for this poor rear end. We might have to swap a better one in sooner than we thought, in preparation for that LS swap. As much as I wanted to wait, we'll do it now. Got no other choice. Yes. We learned our lesson. Probably at the cost of a new diff. But let's get this cover completely off. Okay, let's see how well I can do this with one hand. Oh, that exhaust is a little warm. Oh, there we go. Coming off. Oh, there's more metal shards in there than fluid. Oh God, look at that metallic stuff. That is what you call taking welds and sending them through your diff like a mixer and grinding the welds to powder. There's probably a few of you out there thinking I'm trolling you with all this, but here, I'll show you it still works. He's in drive. Oh God. So obviously, because there's no resistance on one of the wheels, it's spinning as a lock right now. But if I go and hold that tire, which I won't do, it will unlock and spin just one. And I lied to you. Of course I'm gonna hold that one tire, because I wanna see how this works. Right now I'm just spinning it so that those spider gears can spin and hopefully break out a few more pieces of weld spatter, because they were loaded full of spatter. But watch this, if I let go of this wheel, it starts to spin and those spider gears stop spinning because there's enough resistance there to lock it. Oh God, what a mess. That's a loud diff. It's gonna hum like a bugger driving down the road. And there we have it, guys. So that is the plate that I welded inside of there. The gears, there's a few chips on them, nothing too aggressive, nothing I'd worry about. Still gonna drive it. But that's the aftermath of a 110 welder on hardened gears in a differential. I'll be the guinea pig here. I obviously tried it, it failed, so the next person doesn't have to do this. But I'm gonna clean it up, put it back together. Luckily everything still works, even with all the chips in the gears and stuff, but we're gonna put it back together and drive it. And just like that, we are back on the road. So I put the old fluid in it from the original time we welded the diff. So it's kind of clean fluid. It's probably original fluid from GM, unless someone did this fluid, but because it only has 100,000 K. So there you guys have it. Back to an open diff. No more welded diff drifting. Anyway, have yourselves a good day.
Just a Ferrari in the junkyard. Came out the jungle, ain't had no scars. Street nigga rockin' go yard.